dark.
TGIF, you guys.
TGIF.
So this one
foil
is about to create me a t-shirt for whatever reason. Why you not creating your own?
I got enough. I like y'all to be fly with my designs. That's cool. So
this is something that we found or purchased on Black Friday. A new Cricut machine, and here goes the heat press. So he has been having a field day with making things.
Yep,
these are all of different vinyls. So this is how we're starting our day off this morning. I'll let you see how it's turning. I like that one.
This is the foil.
Yeah. I thought you can't do the multicolored one.
What is it? Arno.
Yep. This is Arno. Guys, so hey, I like that color. That's pretty.
Like some nails you had a while back.
Man. So this is going to be the foil. Our Friday, happy Friday. Today is what, I believe the 9th, the 8th or the 9th. Look at today. I shall bring you along for our day. We have nothing planned. We're about to eat some breakfast because we're starving. And that's about it. Yeah.
Don't act all shy with no syrup.
I don't want all that syrup, sir. You gonna make it? Unhealthy breakfast it shall be. This is all we have in the house, so we just gotta survive. TGI fried. Well, I'm done. Could not finish. It's time to start our day. All right, you guys, we are heading out walking. All right, we're in Whole Foods. Cute and festive.
Thank you. God bless you.
Have a good day. Alright, so we're walking back to the house. We got our little baggies. Have fun? Excuse you, sir. Excuse you, sir. Did you have fun? I guess your face is Friday. Traffic is starting to pick up. So this is how you're home from school, sir? Yeah. On time today, huh?
Like a minute before.
I'm gonna do often every time we see.
Yeah.
How was school?
My every.
Left with a black
Yeah.
You want to start filming today? Hi, y'all. I'm making a charcuterie board. I got some cheese. Some more cheese. Oh, this is not mine. What's that? Yep. Some salami. Some pretzel sticks. Some big old grapes. Let's get it started. First, this is what you want to do. You got some Kobe Jack, y'all. Don't check this out. We gonna lay it out. If you got guests coming over in 10 minutes, you just do it like I do it. I want to lay some salami. And the salami is already laid and ready to ride. Okay. Shazam. Mild cheddar. Kobe and mild cheddar. I'm looking over here. We got some people coming over. What I'm gonna need next is the you said you had smoked sausage?
Straight down the table, girl.
That's a knife. You got the knife. With your test. Something quick, fast, and simple that we can do real fast. It don't have to be all fancy. These grapes are huge. Dude. There you have it. 5-minute charcuterie board. Made me hungry.
Bless us with a beautiful
Right.
charcuterie board.
Mind you, these things you can't go out of control with it. So
Like
these little fine cheeses and wines and crackers and high speed stuff is a little pricey depending on where you go. Great.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and place these roses or flowers that I got from Whole Foods. Have these placemats. We're just gonna use them. And we're just gonna set the table for 4. Not 6, but I do have 6. These, you know, came out of Home Goods, and these are by Sparkle Home. I like them. They're like rubbery. They're perfect. I like this color. You can use gold or silver. So I do appreciate that. I have a few different picks that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and they were all 60% off. Here is the main ones that I want to use that I felt like when I had these on here, it made it appear too busy, too much. So I'm gonna pull the, I still like the berries, so I'm gonna pull them off. Some chargers that came from Williams-Sonoma. They're not the best because they're all like tarnished, but I guess it gives it like that vintage vibe. Clear plates are from the Dollar Tree. Pottery Barn. They came out in the fall, and I'm just using some of the dried oranges throughout this centerpiece. I just think it's so pretty. Okay, look how simple. Just adding a few like living things make fake things look so good. So I added in some baby breaths throughout this, you know, faux little pics here, and it made it look so much better. So good. Okay, I don't have any napkins, so I just placed, you know, the napkin ring and some baby breath. So if I did have an even piece of little greenery or eucalyptus would be nice here as well. The charcuterie board over here on the little acrylic stand. Cheesecake. Really for decoration, it looks so cute. The little cranberries. And there you have it. And over here, this is what we created. Put a little pick in there and some cranberry. And it's really cute if you had like a floating candle. You can place it on there. Super cute idea as well. Some wine. And there you have it. New edition. And this one. And all of his animals that he's trying to see.
I'm sorry, Major.
Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoy the rest of your Friday. I'm gonna hang up this camera. I will try to catch you guys tomorrow, but this tablescape turned out so cute. Box of chocolate. It's always a good idea to have around. My mother loves to eat little chocolates and stuff, so I just got that from her. Just keep that around. But super cute. Until the next time, we will catch you
Later.
Ooh, it's a full moon tonight. Oh my goodness, it's a full moon. What? The Ferris wheel is still red, white, and green. Random fireworks going off.